Hello friends, in this quick tutorial I'm going to show how to distort an image in Photoshop. Let's insert an image here. File, place. I'm making smaller this image and putting above the mouth. Resize it. Now right click above the image, skew. Position this image vertically and horizontally. Click on warp. Now make this upper image perfect for the lower image. Click on OK. Select any blending effect from here which one give best result. Hover over on blending mode and click on arrow key to see the next blending effect. Okay, I'm setting this one. Now select erase tool and make it smooth. Okay. Remove a little bit from all sides like the way I'm doing. And here's the final result. That's it for now. If you benefited a little from this video, then make sure to subscribe this channel. Thank you.